Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's topic is about loan amortization. Now I will show you how to calculate loan amortization in Microsoft Excel. Here is the given information and here is the 5 column: month, payment, interest, principal and balance. Here I take 150 month for loan amortization. For this I sorry, I select them and drag it about 150. Okay, 150. Okay. Then I will calculate payment. For this, insert equal, then formula of payment, then start the bracket. Rate, here rate is 10%, which is divided by 12. Then number of period, 10, which is multiple by 15. Then present value 4,50,000, future value 0 and type 0 because it end of the period. Then close the bracket and enter. Here I got our first month payment. Here I freeze all the variable because it always similar in every month. I freeze it every variable, putting $sign. Okay. Then I select it and drag it about 150. Okay, it is always same in every month. Then I calculate interest. I insert the formula IPMT, then start the bracket. Here rate is 10%, which is divided by 12. Then par means month, then number of period 10, which is multiple by 15. Then present value, here I insert minus, then present value because I want positive answer. Then future value 0, then type 0 because it end of the period. Close the bracket and enter. Here I got our first month interest. Then I fixed the freeze the fixed variable. I ignore the par because it always different. I only freeze the fixed variable, which is always same. Then insert and select it and drag it about 150. Okay. Then I will calculate the principal. Insert the formula PPMT, that is the formula of principal amount. Then rate 10%, which is divided by 12. Then par means month first. Then number of period 10, which is multiple by 15. Then present value minus principal amount, then 0 and type 0. Okay, close the bracket and enter. Here I got a principal amount, and then I also freeze the variable that is fixed. I ignore the part, then and I freeze it and enter and select it about 150. Okay. At last I calculate balance. For this, insert equal and principal amount minus principal and enter. Okay, then I freeze it and then equal sorry equal minus and I select it. Sorry. Okay. Okay. Start it about equal. Mistake. I start again. No minus. Then I freeze it. Then equal balance minus. Sorry. Okay. Insert and select it. Select it. sorry. Okay, at last it will 0. So this is the simplest process to calculate loan amortization in Excel sheet. Thank you everyone.